enhanced biodiversity, conservation of mangroves, coral reefs, and the rainforest. Mangroves. Mangroves are plants that grow in intertidal regions in coastal areas. Mangroves have numbers of adaptation that allows them to survive in this ever-changing environment. Mangroves are important component of a coastal ecosystem. Mangrove forests provide breeding and feeding grounds for a range of animals, including fish, crabs, birds, and some mammals. They also help to protect the coastline from erosion from waves, storm surges, and tsunamis. Research and studies have placed mangroves among the most important ecosystems on our planet. They make up a transitional zone between land and sea, buffering ecosystem from hurricane and tsunamis, protect coral reefs from sedimentation, sequester a massive amount of carbon to fight climate change, adapt to rising sea levels, service nurseries in a vital food source for marine life by providing habitat for endangered species, also provide invaluable economic service for humans. The future of mangroves very much depends on us, and our future is codependent on the survival in this critical habitat. Next is coral reef. Coral reefs are often described as the rainforest of the sea. This is due to both ecosystem being rich, productive, and incredibly diverse. Coral reefs are the most diverse ecosystem in the planet. This diversity includes an estimated third of all marine species. Total species estimated of 600,000 to 9 million. Coral reefs only make up approximately 0.05 to 0.1% of the ocean floor. Thousands of species can be found living in one coral reef. For example, the Great Barrier Reef contains 400 species of coral, 1,500 species of fish, 4,000 species of mollusks, and 6 species of turtles. And because of this amazing biodiversity, we are starting to discover that there is a lot we can learn from corals. Coral extracts have been used to develop treatment for asthma, arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. More than 500 million people worldwide depend on reefs for food, jobs, and coastal protections. The regions in coral reefs can reduce wave energy by up to 95%, providing crucial protection from threats such as tsunamis. One of the main reasons why coral reefs are productive and diverse and yet environmental sensitive is because of a symbiotic relationship between the corals and the algae. In conclusion, corals are rich, dynamic, and complex ecosystems. And lastly, rainforests. Tropical forests are vital important for the planet because they shelter an extremely rich biodiversity, because they influence the climate, because they produce resources that are essential to mankind, such as wood, for example. There is tropical wood everywhere in our homes, in tables, chairs, doors, and windows. Forests. They are home to 80% of life on Earth. From the deepest of their layers to the top of the tree's grounds. Forests are the heroes keeping our planet healthy and us healthy. All of us. Forests are barriers against erosion, landslides, and avalanche. They give us fresh air, clean the drinking water in the river, and attract the rain to grow food. In the forest, each individual tree has a role to play, as does every animal, every plant, every living being. Big and small, microscopically small. Trees breathe, taking in the excess hue to human produce, then hiding some of it away and using the rest to create healthy branches, nutritious fruits, nuts, and the beautiful landscapes. The roots of trees give the soil the structure it needs to absorb and retain water when it rains, avoiding floods that would wash away perfectly fertile soil, which we need to grow food. Food for us, but also for them. Together as an ecosystem, forests provide the exact balance life needs to thrive.